Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into your Amazon account and verifying your payment defaults and shipping address. This avoids checkout delays. Once signed in, navigate to Accounts and Lists, choose Gift Cards, then redeem a gift card. You'll type the claim code exactly as printed. Mistakes cause errors. After entering it, click Apply and watch your Amazon balance update. Make sure to note the balance shown, because that determines how much will be deducted at checkout versus other payment methods. You now add items to your cart and proceed to checkout where payment is decided. At checkout, select your Amazon balance as the primary payment option. If the card doesn't fully cover the total, Amazon will automatically use your chosen secondary method for the remainder. Once done, review the order total, shipping method, and taxes. These can change the needed balance. Confirm that the displayed gift card amount is applied, then place your order. If multiple gift cards exist, you can combine them in this step. You finish by checking the order confirmation and payment summary to ensure the gift card was applied. If the code was rejected, make sure you entered each character correctly. Try copy/paste from a secure source or scratch off protective coding fully. If problems persist, contact Amazon support with your order and code details. Finally, remember that refunds typically return to your Amazon balance, so save confirmation emails and the original code info for any dispute or balance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.